Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation about smoking on campus. My name is Ren Risela. My name 17250 and my excited to share our research with you. Here is my opinion on smoking in campus areas. In my view, smoking on campus should be prohibited. While this issue involves a complex debate between personal freedom and public health, the negative impact of smoking on the entire community healthy outweighs the individual's right to smoking in a shared public space. Here is a breakdown of my reasoning. 1. The public health imperative. The primary argument against smoking on campus is the protection of community health. This extends to both smoker and non-smoker. Protecting non-smoker. The most compelling reason for a ban is the danger of secondhand smoke as is. Non-smokers should not be forced to inhale toxic, cancer-causing smells simply by walking to class, studying outdoors, or living in a residence hall. There is no safe level of exposure to SHIS. This makes smoking a public issue, not just a personal one. A health-focused environment. Universities are institutions of learning and well-being. By allowing smoking on campus indirectly condemns a behavior that is the loading cause of preventable death worldwide. A smoking-free policy aligns with the university's mission to protect its students, faculty, and staff. 2. The campus environment. Beyond health, smoking negatively affects the physical campus environment. Litter and pollution. Cigarette butts are a significant source of litter. They are toxic, non-biodegradable, and costly to clean up. Fire risks. Discrete cigarettes pose a very real fire hazard, especially around buildings and dry vegetation. 3. The personal freedom argument. The main counter-argument is the banning smoking infringes on an individual's personal freedom and rights. The counterpoint this argument is flawed because it fails to balance on person freedom with another's, the right to smoke and where a non-smokes right to breathe clean air begins. On a crowded campus, it is nearly impossible to smoke without exposing others. A reasonable compromise. A campus-wide ban does not stop anyone from smoking. It simply states that they cannot do so in an environment shared by thousands of other people. Individuals are still free to smoke off campus. 4. Designated smoking areas and an effective solution. Some suggest designated smoking areas or DCAs is a compressed wafer. This is often an effective solution. Smoke does not stay within a designated line. It drifts into nearby buildings, windows, and walkways, continuing to expose the community to SHIs. For enforcement, these areas are often difficult to enforce, and smoking typically continues to occur across campus. Normally, the behavior this is can still normally smoking as an acceptable part of the campus culture. A smoke-free policy send and clear consistent message. My conclusion: a university campus is first and foremost a shared community space that's to learning and growth, the health and well-being of the entire community must take precedence. Therefore, implementing a 100 smoke-free vape-free policy is the most logical, ethical, and effective solution. It protects the health of all community members, promotes a cleaner environment, and aligns with the education mission of the institution. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our session today. We are here to talk about one of the most fundamental and frequently used tenses in the English language, the simple present tense. By the end of this presentation, you'll be able to confidently use the simple present to describe habits, facts, and schedule events. Let's dive in simply. This essential grammar structure. Ready to start? Simple present tense. Simple present tense. Tense is a tense used to describe an action that is happening now or an action that happens regularly or habit. This tense is the most commonly used in English. Things we do every day. 1. Wake up. 2. Get up. 3. Have a shower. 4. Have breakfast. 5. Listen to music. 6. Go to work. 7. Make a dinner. 8. Surf internet. 9. Go to bed. Next, formula. To from this tense, the best for the verb I usually use it expect for the third person singular with use of verb 1 plus she or is. Subject: I, you, they, we. She, he, it. Verb: go, goes. The rest of the sentence: to the school by bus. To the school by bus. Next. Note: for verb ending in u, ch, or z, at, s. Go, goes. Catch, catches. Wash, washes. Kiss, kisses. Box, boxes. Fix, fixes. Have, has. He has got a skateboard. Next, for verbs ending in consonant plus y, drop the y and add es. Carry, carries. Study, studies. Worry, worries. Marry, marries. Meanwhile, for verbs that end in a vowel plus ye, juice, eat, is. Play, plays. Sigh, sighs. Enjoy, enjoys. Use simple present tense. I recurring event that is taking place at the moment. I go to campus by motorcycle every day. To the Rhine to Bekasi lives every hour. 3. Teddy sleeps 7 hours every night during the week. 2. Show a fact or event in general. 1. The President of Indonesia is Joko Widodo. 2. A snake has no legs. 3. Indonesia has 34 provinces from Sabang to Merauke. So a habit or habit. Donnie gets up early at 5 o'clock every day. John takes a bath twice a day. Every year on Lebaran, most people travel to their hometown. Always have breakfast in the morning. Lesson 1. In the morning, good practice let out. 1. Get up. 2. Brush my teeth. 3. Take a shower. 4. Get dressed. 5. Eat breakfast. 6. Go to school. Next. Simple present tense negative. To form a simple present tense negative tense, you usually use the adjectives of done or doesn't for the verb. See plus done or doesn't plus verb plus u. For the third, from the subject, see, he, it. After the word done or doesn't, the verb form is not added with see or is. The word do is used if the subject is you, they, or we. However, the word does is used if the subject is the third person, she, he, it. Simple present tense in interrogative. The from interrogative tenses, question tenses, you usually use the addition of the or does if front of the tense. Do, dois, plus si, plus verb 1 plus u. For the third form of the subject, she, he, it. After the word done or doesn't, the verb form is not added with she or is. The word to use it if the subject I, you, they, or we. However, the word does is used of the subject in the third person, she, he, it. Next, 10 example. 1. Plus, I go to campus by motorcycle every day. Minus, do not go to campus by motorcycle every day. For what? Do I go to campus by motorcycle every day? 2 plus Teddy goes to campus by motorcycle every day. Mean Teddy does not go to campus by motorcycle every day. What does Teddy go to campus by motorcycle every day? 11. Next. Simple present tense with out verb. Formula. C plus to be is am are plus u. C plus to be is am are plus not plus u. To be is am are plus is plus o. To be I am. You, they, we are. He is, it is. Example. Plus, I'm a student. Mean, I'm not a student. What, I'm a student? Verb to be. I am, you are, he is, he it, we are. Grammar structure. Affirmative. I live, you live, he lives, she lives, it lives. We live, you live, they live. Negative. I don't live, you don't live, he doesn't live, she doesn't live, he doesn't live, we don't live, you don't live, then don't live. Interrogative. Do you I live? Do you live? Do he live? Do she live? Do it live? Do we live? Do you live? Do they live? Grammar structure. Simple person. Question with the auxiliaries do and does. What do you do on Saturday morning? Do she do on weekdays? When do you go to school? She does he play? I have breakfast in a restaurant. She does egg rice. We go to school on weekdays. He plays soccer on Wednesday. The simple present is used with adverbs like one always come to school by car. Often. I don't come here very often. Usually. He usually eats breakfast at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I'm go to party. She rarely cooks. Is never late for class. Every day. They sleep early every day. Nominal tense. 1. Positive form. Information, noun verb, or not a verb. Can be a noun or noun adjective, or a adverb, subject, plus to be, plus non-adjective or adverb. To be or is am are. Adjected the subject of the tense. Is on the subject of he, she, it. Are on the subject you, they, we. I'm on the subject. 1. Negative from. Subject to plus be, plus non-adjective or adverb. Information negative nominal tense is formed by adding nouns better to be. Example. You are not sad. Adjective. You said. I am not in a very. Adverb. We are very. She is a not teacher. He is a teacher. Choice to correct option. 1. She always in dance competition. Practice or participate. Mohan every meaning. Joke or jokes. I in friends life or lives. Jen an emotional company. Work or works. Doctor the junk food or buffet. Recommended or recommended. Grammar structure. Simple present. Present with the auxiliary do and does. What do you on Saturday morning? This do on weekdays. When do you go to school? Does imply. I have breakfast in restaurant. She does egg rice. We go to school on weekdays. He plays soccer on Wednesdays. Thank you.